Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. In today's exercise, we are going to learn some basic features and we will learn some features like extruded boss base, swept boss base, revolve boss base, swept cut, revolve cut. So let's see how to do this in SolidWorks. Exercise number 121 in SolidWorks, and here we are going to create this pipe with flange. And we will learn some basic SolidWorks features. So first we will start with this base flange. It's 140 into 88 millimeter and thickness you will see here 16 millimeter. The corner radius 15, 4 number of, and there is counter bore hole. The dimension is 15 by 9 millimeter hole. The counter bore diameter 15, thickness 5, and the main hole is 9 millimeter throughout. Then we will see there is one cutout at bottom, 70 millimeter long, 3 millimeter thick, and at 45-degree corner. Okay, let's make these few features. So here we will select top plane, sketch, center rectangle. Okay, 88 tap 140 millimeter. Feature extrude, and here keep end condition blind, 16 millimeter thickness. Say yes. Let me hide real view. I'll choose one corner and you will see one option here, chamfer and fillet. So now constant size fillet. Even though if you choose any one edge, it gives you option like, see, hole wizard. I'll choose here legacy hole. Here choose counter bore. Now the main diameter is 9 millimeter and the depth here keep through all, so no need to define the length. Okay, then the counter bore diameter, it's 15, and how much the depth? 5. Position, I'll choose this face. Keep your cursor near and you will find center point of edge. Okay, and here the last one, and escape key to out of this. Now look, see, the counter bore hole is created. This face, now here we need to make cutout. Line, and close. Now let's hold shift key 1, 2, 3 and make relation symmetric. That's it. Angle 45 degree, 3 millimeter, and the length 70 millimeter. See, this is fully defined sketch. Go to feature and choose extruded cut. Now here keep end condition through all, so that it's going to cut up to end here, or you even though choose up to next. Say yes. Now let's make this pipe. This pipe length 120, width you will see close look 72, and the pipe diameter 45 millimeter. Then there is one more, this solid pipe, this diameter you will see 56, but this thickness 40 and distance 50 millimeter from bottom. So let's make this 2, and the angle here 38 degree. So right plane, I'll choose line, (120), 72. Angle from any one, this 38. Corner fillet or corner radius sketch fillet 32 millimeter. Say yes. Cancel now. Now exit. Go to Swift boss base. Here one option, circular profile. See, the path is selected diameter and that is 45 millimeter. Say yes. Now if we can simply drag this upside, now see, it's trimmed from here. We need to choose the same surface, 56, extrude, and this is 40 millimeter reverse, but we will use offset tool. 50 millimeter reverse, see, 50 millimeter offset from here to here, and the length is 40 millimeter. That's it. Now if we see, there is one 12 diameter hole on the same path, so we will create this also. Then now we will make this flange also. This flange lies at mid of this one, okay, and this is 82, 15 radius, 56, and this thickness, if you see here, 12 millimeter. Then at the same time 24 diameter circle lies on this and 16 millimeter is the thickness. So first let's make one cutout here. We will use the same sketch, swift cut, circular profile, 12 millimeter. Look, say yes. If you see section view, now look, plane, we want to create mid plane, so select these two surfaces and we are going to create this plane. Choose the plane, sketch and circle. (56 millimeter). It's 15 means diameter 30. (82 millimeter). Let's connect this. Now I'll connect. Make sure it's tangent. Okay, this is already tangent. Mirror entity. Let me choose this one. Mirror about this line. See, yes. Extrude. Now these things we need to extrude. Keep end condition 20 millimeter, end condition mid plane. On top face, sketch. If you keep cursor, you will find center, and this is 24 millimeter, and extrude, and this length is 16 millimeter. Okay, now let's hide. Now you will see there is one hollow shape. This is 4 millimeter. So we will use cutout tool, and this is also 12 millimeter cut, and the hole is going to make 14 millimeter. This is 4 millimeter wall all around. So right plane, sketch. First let me draw one center line. Now here I'll select line. Let's define the dimension. 4 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Okay, let's connect this. Now here we will choose revolve cut. Now if you see line axis selected here, say yes. If you see section view, you will see the preview. Okay. Now in the same way we will apply here. So we will choose plane what we created, a sketch. Now that is also 4 millimeter away. So create this, convert entities, offset, keep 4 millimeter and let's say 1. Okay, we will use only 1. Okay, okay, that's going perfectly fine. If I'm going to choose this one, okay, that's no problem. Again, offset, reverse. Okay, now we have here one closed geometry. Let's keep as it is. Trim, power trim, mirror entity. Now I'll trim this outer edge. So this is what we get, a closed geometry going to. This is we are going to cut 4 millimeter away from all outer wall. Extruded cut, 12 millimeter thickness and condition mid plane. Okay, top face, sketch, circle, and there is one 14 diameter circle. Extruded cut, and here keep and condition to next because there is one inside wall. Say yes. If I am going to choose section view, okay. Now look, this is what we get a result. Now here a very important things we are going to cut. One cylinder is straight 56.4, but there is one tapered cylinder, radius 32, angle here 36 degree, and that is 30 degree, 30 millimeter is the diameter of this, but this is going to cut along with this. Then 35 millimeter, it is up to 56.4 up to here, and we are going to add one flange hexagon 67 millimeter, and that is 5 millimeter away from this, and thickness 15 millimeter. So I'll add first flange, exit. Now let me choose this one horizontal. Let's define 67 millimeter, and let me choose this outer ring, convert entities, extrude 15 millimeter and condition reverse, offset 5 millimeter reverse. Now look how is going inside. So that's it. Now right plane, sketch. Now let me choose this previous sketch, show. This is our main sketch. I'll click one thing, select this one and this one, convert entities. Okay. Select these two lines, make relation tangent. See, again create one center line, let's make this line with this 36 millimeter. If you are going to check this angle, vice versa. Okay, trim entity, power trim, trim this one, trim this one. We need up to here. See, this is fully defined sketch. Hide. Now this is the balance result. Exit, swift cut. Now here circular profile 30 millimeter. Here make sure align with end edges. See, this is going to be happen. This face, and the last one I believe is 30 something, 37 diameter. Okay. Extruded cut 56.4, extruded cut 56.4. Okay. Now let's apply section view. Say yes. Now look, this is what we are expecting a result. Fillet, constant size fillet 3 millimeter, and this two edges applies. Now let's real view, let's apply some color to it. So this is the simple exercise for the beginners, those who want to learn basics of SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.